What's up guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss Samsung Galaxy S21. So the Galaxy S20 series of phones are Samsung's current flagships and they are certainly worthy of consideration if you are on the hunt for a new smartphone in 2020. Exynos variant of Galaxy S20 Ultra, which has the best camera specs on paper right now, suffered from autofocus issues which were not a good look for a smartphone of the Galaxy S caliber. Sure, Samsung fixed it with firmware updates, but it sure did on the flagship's reputation. Now it seems Samsung does not want to repeat the same mistake twice and they are planning to drop the laser autofocus used on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. The Galaxy S21 should have the conventional dual phase detection autofocus like every other flagship out there. Not only that, according to reports from Taiwan, but the Galaxy S21 could also have a penta-lens camera system. The main camera is going to be 150 megapixel. We have talked about this in previous videos that Samsung is the maker of this camera sensor and they are going to use Xiaomi as a beta tester again like they did with their 108 megapixel sensor. Other cameras include a 64 megapixel telephoto lens, a 16 megapixel wide angle lens, additionally a 12 megapixel macro lens. Samsung Galaxy A range of devices already use the macro sensor, so it only makes sense for them to bring it to their premium tier smartphones as well. Also, the reports mention that Samsung is testing two versions of the Galaxy S21. The first one has optical image stabilization on the main and telephoto lenses as well as on the front selfie camera, while the other version feature OIS for the main camera, telephoto lens and the wide angle camera. We'll have to wait and see which model would end up on the production line. By the way, it's worth mentioning that it's still too early for the Galaxy S21 news. Usually things change as the development advances, so it's worth taking all of this information with a pinch of salt. If you are new to this channel and hearing my voice for the first time, subscribe and press bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel, and also like this video and comment your opinion in the comment section. Thank you.